Hello again. So this week I'm going to be talking about Waze and Google versus Makor, which is a litigation case. So on Monday, February 22nd, the popular and relatively new navigation app Waze, and subsequently its owner Google and their creator is Google, were sued by in the Delaware federal court by an Israeli-based Makor Issues and Rights Limited. So this company, Makor, sued Waze and Google on the grounds that Waze is infringing on two of Makor's patents. Patent 6480783, which is real-time vehicle guidance and forecasting system under traffic jam conditions, and patent 6615130, which is real-time vehicle guidance and traffic forecasting system. They sound very similar, but they are different in its actual functionality, which I'll describe in a little bit. So Makor claims to have owned these patents since the early 2000s. So they knew that Waze and Google's developers were well aware of their claims, as we've heard about in different cases as well, which is about knowledge, how smaller companies get upset at larger companies when they infringe on their patents, even though they're well aware that it's the smaller company's patent owning it, and so they feel like they're being exploited in a lot of ways. However, these patents regarding traffic monitoring technology, which enables drivers to avoid traffic jams, are the pinnacle features of behind Waze's success. So again, that really makes them mad. So this is the exact reason I use Waze personally when driving, because it gives you constant up-to-date traffic reports and guides that takes into account issues happening in that exact moment, which helps you avoid traffic accidents in your route. It's constantly updating and altering so you have your fastest and most efficient route. Since the case is pretty much brand new, the exact details aren't entirely outlined yet, but what we do know is that Makor's hopeful outcome includes an unsuspected amount of damages payment of attorney fees and a judgment that Google and Waze have infringed Makor's intellectual property. This case will be really interesting to follow as time goes on, since we know Google is no amateur in the patent litigation world, and the fact that Makor is based in Israel will add an extra factor because of the international factor. Plus, unlike other patent cases we've studied, Makor is not a patent troll company, so fighting for your own intellectual property may change the dynamic quite a bit from what Google has seen in the past. So cool. Thank you.